Welcome to Shepard Farm, your nature center in Cottage Grove. Shepard Farm offers people of all ages environmental and agricultural education in the heart of South Washington County. This 1920s-era farm has been restored and reimagined for the 21st century by Dodge Nature Center, a nonprofit organization founded in 1967. Your family can grow vegetables, fruits, and flowers in the rich, organic soil of the community gardens. Come feel the hum of activity among the honeybee hives and pastures of grazing animals. Week-long day camps will get your child outdoors on sunny summer days where they can stretch their legs and minds. In the long history of this land, there's now a new chapter brought to you by Dodge Nature Center. Bring your family and friends for nature programs in every season. Together, you can learn, you can grow, and you can find your fun at Shepard Farm. In the beauty of the big woods, farm fields, and prairie grasses here in Cottage Grove, come nourish your need for nature.